Manaona taholio, salama everyone. So, wow, welcome to our next lesson. Today we are just gonna learn a few useful words and phrases in Malagasy that you can use every day. So, the first one is come. So if you want someone to come, you will say Avia, Avia, come. If you want to say come here, then you will say Aviati, Aviati, Aviati. And if you want to say let's, so you just say Andao. And if you want to say let's go, you will say Andao ande. So let's is Andao, let's go, Andao ande. And if you want to say you want to say let's sleep, Andao hatory, Andao hatory. Let's sing, Andao hihira, Andao hihira. So you just put andao in front of the verb that's coming, the same as in English. So let's is andao, let's go, andao ande, let's sleep, andao hatory, let's sing, andao hihira, let's eat, andao hisakafo, andao hisakafo. I hope that's helpful. See you in the next lesson.